Good morning, everyone. I feel like it's been, whoa, that's bright, a minute since I've done a come on a day in my life with me. For those of you who don't know, I am a full-time software developer. I work from home right now. I can go into office, but I haven't for a minute actually. But I'm gonna take you along today. We're going to really talk about time blocking, time management, how I organize my day. What else are we gonna be doing today? Oh, I'm gonna be taking you to my co-working space today. I feel like I need to get out of the house and work, and lots of other fun stuff. So let's just go. First things first, before we do anything, what do you think I'm gonna say? What do we need to get? Leave in the comments. You know what I'm gonna say. Coffee. Let's go get coffee. Success. Okay. I just got dressed. I felt like I needed to. Oh, this lighting is just not happening. Better here. You can see all my filming equipment from when I do actual videos. Well, this isn't an actual video, but you know what I'm saying. One of the most common things that I get asked throughout my day, I was looking at the questions that you left for me, and one of the most common ones is, how do you time block or plan out your day? So I'm gonna share with you the steps I use. It might be a bit excessive to some of you, but it's what really helps me stay on track throughout the day, organizing between time for coding, meetings, Tiff and Tech, life, you know, everything. So I'm gonna share with you that now. I start actually with pen and paper. Tiff and Tech, Tiff not in tech, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna start a new day here. Sorry, don't mind all the mess. This is real life here. So today is Wednesday, and you might not be able to read my writing, but that's what it is. Then I will start by just writing out my priorities for the day. So for me today, I need to finish a feature. So finish feature 18294. That's the code of the feature. I also need to email back 2 different companies for Tiff and Tech. So email back companies, TT means Tiff and Tech. And then I also have some meetings for IBM today, IBM meetings. Usually I'm a bit more specific, but I can't, share everything I do for work on here, obviously, so we're gonna keep it kind of generic. Okay, once I have the main few things that I need to achieve for the day, I will start by time blocking. So what I did this morning, for example, was from 7:30 to 9, I did Tiff and Tech work with Paul, emails and the business side of things. This usually will be either Tiff and Tech business stuff from this hour and a half, or it will be a workout. Today was emails though, and then I'll work out tonight. Then at 9, I open my IBM computer, and I literally with time blocking will write down everything I do, from opening, like sending an email to walking the dogs, anything, because all this small amount of time is really, it adds up quickly. Okay, I feel like we're gonna be here forever, so I just quickly wrote what my day consists of. So as you can see, 9 to 9:30 is IBM emails, 9:30 to 9:45 is stand-up, where we talk about what we did yesterday, what we're doing today, and any blockers. Then 9:45 to 10 is read over the ticket I'm going to be working on. Then 10 to 11 is actually coding it. And then 11 to 11:30 is PR reviews, which if you're not familiar with what that is, it's essentially reviewing other people's code before it goes into production, leaving comments, feedback, all that. Okay, so that's kind of how I plan out my day, as far as being very, very specific as to what I am doing. And I know some people might find that a little excessive, but it's the only way I have found that I actually get things done. Otherwise, I say I'm going to do all these things, and then life happens, things such as get a coffee, go for a walk. If I don't schedule that in, but I do it, then the time accounted for other things is gone, and they don't get completed. I don't know if that makes sense, but anyways, that is my progress. Okay, it's gorgeous outside right now, and I really want to go get a coffee, speaking of coffee, and head to the East Room. Hi, okay. Woo, it is so bright out. I honestly didn't know if I was gonna share this with you or film this even, because I don't know, this is not what I thought this video would be, but here we are. I was trying to be very honest and real with you, and I just need to get to the point. But lately I've been experiencing such terrible imposter syndrome, like just to the point where I moving my seat back. I have been crying pretty much every day, breaking down, and just feeling very anxious, and it's been really tough, and it sucks, and it's been a lot of because of professional stuff, like just feeling as though I'm overwhelmed or not good enough or anything like that, and it's been really, really tough to navigate, and I don't know how, yeah, when you're in imposter syndrome or you feel this way, it just feels like it's never going to end. And it just feels like it consumes your life, from when you worked, after you worked, when you're sleeping, to everything. Like, it's all I think about. Like, I had a long weekend this weekend, and all I thought about was work, and it was just not what, like, it's not what I want to do. I don't want to think about work when I'm, trying to relax or enjoy myself, and it was really stressful, and I'm just trying to get better at navigating that and finding different ways to, because you think you're going to get through it, you think it's going to be okay, and it's tough sometimes. I know I'll come out stronger on the other side, but it doesn't mean during these times, it doesn't make it easy. And I just really wanted to share that with you, because I think having these feelings and feeling a little overwhelmed, or like these really tough emotions that happen at all stages in your career, you're not alone. We all go through them to varying degrees, and that really helps me, even just knowing that other people have felt this way, and it's going to be okay, and we know more than we think we do. Maybe I'm just rambling now, but I just really wanted to share that with you, because it's been really tough, and I know it will get better, but it doesn't mean, in the meantime, it does not make it easier. And I think the only way to get through it is just doing things for yourself, giving yourself self-care. Like, for me, it's been going on walks and things like that, and I feel like I'm rambling, but basically, imposter syndrome can suck, and feeling like you don't deserve stuff can suck, and I need to really work on flipping that around and taking time for myself to get better at that, I guess. And anyways, I just finished a huge crying session, so I feel like I'm a little okay, we got this, we can do this, look at these muscles, we're stronger than we think. Okay, that was so weird, but anyways, okay, let's go to the co-working space. Hello. Okay, we are home. I feel like it's been quite the eventful day. You can see we have some clothes I need to put into storage, and then I have a half-eaten sandwich still that I'm going to enjoy. But basically, it felt very therapeutic, honestly, just to have a moment to, like, when everything is just piles up and just feels like a little too intense. So anyways, I put tomatoes on it. I'm not a huge tomato person. I don't know. Do you like tomatoes? In 1 minute. I was gonna try talking and eating, but it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. No. Okay, we're not gonna eat and talk at the same time, because I don't know how people do that. You see people on like YouTube and they're like eating and talking, and it doesn't bother me, but I feel like I'm not good at it. I'm not an eater and a talker. This afternoon, I didn't film really in the East Room because there was a lot of people, and I was just like, this is not happening right now. But what I worked on today was, I am working on a feature for the front end side of things that requires some information from the API from the back end team, and it's not coming in right now, so I'm kind of waiting on that. And then in the meantime, I always just switch to working on something else. So for me right now, that means helping others with their tickets, working on PR reviews, looking into different defects meaning like bugs that have been created from features. So QA always always finds that. So if you are a QA watching this, I love you, but you also drive me nuts sometimes with the defects. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for on my feature to get unblocked by getting the information required from the back end, then going to continue on that for today. Today's pretty light on meetings, which is nice. So it's really just work. I wish I could show you what I actually do, but I can't. So if you have any other ideas of how to make it more interactive to show you different things, let me know. Let me know what other questions you have. And okay, I gotta finish this sandwich so I can back to work. Okay, I just finished doing work for the day, and I think Paul and I are going out for dinner. I'm not certain though. We are going to, and then now it's getting late and he is still stuck in traffic, so I feel like it might be taken tonight because I did not make anything and it's getting late. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found it valuable and helpful. It's really strange for me because I can't show you exactly what it is I do, you know, like can't show you the code or whatever, but I'm trying to share with you as much as I can about what it is to be like, you know, a software developer, my day-to-day, what it looks like, and just give you as much insight and advice as possible. I think someone wants to say hi. What is this? Hello, come say hi. You are such a little, oh my goodness, you're so big. Oh, I don't want your treat in my face. Oh, okay, now it's puppy snuggles. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video.